From the beginning of time, eagles have been admired the world over as living symbols of power, freedom, and exceptional beauty. There are more than 60 different species of eagle. Eagles are different from many other birds of prey, mainly because of their larger size, more powerful build, and heavier head and beak. Most eagles are larger than any other raptors apart from vultures. Eagles have unusual eyes. They are very large in proportion to their heads and have extremely large pupils. The harpy eagle and the Philippine eagle have wing spreads 2.5 meters across and use their massive sharp talons to kill and carry off prey as large as deer and monkeys. In Greece, golden eagles eat turtles, dropping them from great heights onto rocks to break open their armored shells. The smaller types of eagles mostly eat mice, snakes, rabbits, etc. In 2012, a shocking video came on the internet. It shows an eagle lifting a toddler up into the air while its mother watches helplessly with her other two children standing by her. The eagle carried it up in the air for a couple of meters, then for some reason suddenly dropped the child down to the ground. In reality, this video was fake. It was created by 4 students of Montreal Universal Animation Studio. Now let's begin to watch real videos, where eagles are attacking different animals and even a human. As I said earlier in this video, some eagles will attack big animals. For example, this large eagle tried to attack a big mountain goat. But the goat turned out to be too big for the eagle, and it tried hard to get that eagle off its back. This battle was dangerous for the eagle also, and he finally let the goat go. So he needed to find a smaller animal for his lunch. This next video shows where an eagle already had his prey, a small baby mountain goat, and he is carrying it in an unknown direction. In this next video, the eagle attacks a much larger prey. However, it still manages to carry it off the cliff and carry it in an unknown direction. Eagles will also attack wolves. Attacking a baby wolf is almost no effort for the eagle to get for its lunch. This eagle has been sitting on a very high point on the cliffs, and since they have an unusual vision ability, this eagle noticed 3 little baby wolves. Their mother had just stepped away a few meters from the babies. When the mother sees the eagle flying towards her baby, she runs towards them, but it was too late as the eagle got one of the little wolves and was carrying it away. This next video shows when an eagle attacks people. The young lady was demonstrating a show with a parrot. Then suddenly she looked up and saw that an eagle was attacking her. It is unknown what motivates eagles to attack people. An adult male would probably be too big of a prey for an eagle, but an eagle can cause potentially life-threatening injuries. This is another video where an eagle accidentally attacks a Russian parachute paraplane man, Viktor Sarkov, when he is flying over the Himalaya mountains in India in 2011. The eagle crashes into the paraplane slings, and Viktor had to descend by using his emergency parachute. When he got to the ground, he freed the eagle from the slings. And lastly, in this video, the eagle is attacking a young woman who is riding her bicycle. The reaction of this girl is so funny. Watch it yourself and enjoy.